Here we go again, double attack from Hurlan. Right up there and for a second time, and that's been being waved off. Hurlan Gomez slightly caught. There you go again. That is like connections to Terrence.
Dalawa ang inaabangan ngayon ng mga boxing fans mga bro na posibleng maging world champion. Ito ay ang dalawang Pinoy na talagang nagpakita ng kanilang tapang at tibay sa kanilang mga laban na kung saan pareho nila pinatulog ng maagang kanilang mga kalaban.
มาแล้วครับโอ้โหโดนลำตัวครับร่วงเลยครับปิกนี่ปัดขวาแน่นๆมาแล้วก็ปัดชุดครับโอ้โห
Sa boxing event na ginawa ng Highland Boxing Promotion mga bro, ang main event ay itong dalawang Pinoy prospect kontra sa mga kilabot na boxers ng Thailand. Ang una ay itong si Ador Torres ng Magdalena Sorsogon na kung saan mga bro, kumuha ito ng 6 na magkakasunod na panalo sa Thailand. Lahat ay tinapos niya sa pamamagitan ng knockout. Ang pinakahuli ay tinapos niya sa round 2 lamang. Ito ay kontra sa Thai champion na si Pantawit Chupitprom at nadepensahan ng Pinoy ang Asian Boxing Federation welterweight title. Ang pangalawang main event naman mga bro ay itong pambato ng Bacolod City na si Herlan Gomez. Kumuha din ito ng 6 na magkakasunod na panalo na kung saan mga bro, ang lahat ng ito ay tinapos niya sa pamamagitan ng knockout at ang 5 dito ay ginanap sa Thailand. Ang pinakahuli ay itong kontra sa Thailand champion, ang former world title challenger na si Comgrich Nantapek na kung saan mga bro ay talagang nag-aabang ang mga Thai fans kung paano nito tapusin si Gomez. Ngunit kabaliktaran ang kanilang nasaksihan. Winakasan ng ating kababayan na si Gomez mga bro ang laban sa round 2 lamang at naangkin ng Pinoy ang WBC Asian Silver Bantamweight title. Kaya tara na mga bro, ating panoorin kung paano pinasuko ng ating mga Pinoy prospect itong mga kilabot na Thai boxers mismo sa harap ng kanilang mga fans. Dala ng Pinoy na si Ador Torres mga bro ang 9 wins, 4 losses at 7 knockouts. Habang ang Thai boxer naman na si Chupitprom ay may 3 wins, 1 loss at 2 knockouts. Sa laban na ito, dedepensahan ni Torres ang Asian Boxing Federation welterweight title na ginanap sa RCA Space Plus sa Bangkok, Thailand. Sa panimula pa lang ng laban mga bro, sinalubong na kaagad ni Torres na naka-red trunks ng mga malalakas na suntok ang Thai boxer. Ngunit talagang matibay rin ang Thai boxer at bumibitaw rin ng mga counters.
Side of their opponent's front foot to try and land their power shot, so Ador needs to step to his right slightly to land that powerful left hand, and vice versa to Saitong. He needs to get rid, taking his time to work out Torres. It's like short left hand lands there for Ador Torres. He's just chipping away now, trying to touch up. Take it with the light combinations, see how the Thai reacts to those. Ador going to the body. Take it with a slight. Ador flinching here, trying to feint out the jab, testing the reactions from Detrit, trying to land a left down the middle. It's like that's just sharp shots there to the body from Ador Torres. Less than 10 seconds to go in the first round. And Ador Torres with a straight punch flurry, and that's going to be the end of the round.
Dito sa round 2 mga bro, mas lalong naging agresibo ang dalawang fighters na kung saan talagang nagsisigawan naman ang mga Thai fans bilang suporta sa kanilang pambato.
Left straight from Torres as well. So here we go, there's that, just touching away and landing with power with the right hook. Left hook to the upstairs and left hook to the body there. Body hunting again. There you go again, big cracking right hook to the body from Torres, who wisely just landed some light combinations to Detrit.
mula sa malakas na suntok na binitawan ng ating kababayan mga bro. Bagsak ang Thai champion. Dahil sa tindi ng tama mga bro, hindi na ito nakatayo.
Slightly close. There you go again. Honestly, like
Side to Detrick's upper body, and there you go. Detrick's down with a body shot. It doesn't look like he's going to get up. Torres just wound up that right hook and just landed it flush to the body. And Detrick.
Nakamit ni Torres mga bro ang panalo by a knockout sa round 2 at naiuwi ang Asian Boxing Federation title. Sa isa pang main event mga bro, dala ni Herlan Gomez ang record na 10 wins, 1 loss at 8 knockouts kontra sa future world champion ng Thailand na si Nantapek na may 32 wins, 8 losses at 23 knockouts. Ang pinaglalabanan nila mga bro ay ang WBC Asian Silver Bantamweight title na kung saan sa laban na ito sinisigurado na ng mga Thai na makakabawi na sila sa Pinoy na si Gomez. Sa round 1 mga bro, parehong orthodox ang dalawang fighters na kung saan ang Pinoy na si Herlan Gomez ang naka-white and red trunks habang blue naman ang suot ng Thai champion.
From what I remember from Herlan, it's making me remember like his fellow right hand connects to Herlan as he goes.
Drew and Ador Torres, he's not wasting any time in.
The body shot, the second one really affected Concrete. And Herlan trying to get another round 1.
Bago pa lang ang laban mga bro, bistado mo nang nasaktan si Nantapek. Mapapansin natin dito mga bro na nasaktan si Nantapek at napatras ito mula sa mga atake ni Gomez sa mukha at bodega.
The punch, uppercut right hand from Herlan.
In Bangkok, Thailand. It's like Diving Concrete has been able to land a significant power punch at all in this first round. It's been all Herlan so far. It's been very one-sided. Concrete just taking his time. But just as soon as
His own shots, it looks like Herlan's just beating him to the punch. Uppercut right hand from Herlan. And then uppercut there from overhand right there from Herlan, and that's it, Concrete off balance. Overhand right there from Herlan, and that's it, Concrete off balance. Again, Herlan putting on the right hand, and uppercut. Right uppercut here from Herlan.
cut there from
Overhand right there from Herlan, and that's it, Concrete off balance. Again, Herlan putting on the right hand, and uppercut. Right uppercut here from Herlan. Overhand right there from Herlan, and that's it, Concrete off balance. Again, Herlan putting on the right hand, and uppercut. Right uppercut here from Herlan. Another fun right hand and left hook there from Herlan.
Mula sa solidong kaliwa ni Gomez mga bro, bagsak si Nantapek. Nagawa man itong tumayo, ngunit bistadong nasaktan.
surprise. We've got 30 seconds left in the round. It looks like Concrete is going to survive. There we go again. Double hooks here from Herlan.
Right uppercut there, and for a second time, and that's flipping.
Mula naman sa mabilis na uppercut ni Gomez mga bro, bagsak ulit ang Thai boxer. At nang dahil sa tindi ng tama nito, inawat na kagad ng referee ang laban.
There we go again, double hooks here from Herlan. Right uppercut there, and for a second time, and that's being waved off. Herlan Gomez.
Nakamit ni Gomez ang panalo sa pamamagitan ng knockout at naging WBC Asian Silver Bantamweight Champion. Tungkol naman sa pinakita ng dalawang boxers natin mga bro, may tsansa kaya ito para maging world champion? Pag-usapan na lang natin yan sa baba. Salamat sa inyong suporta at sa susunod nating mga videos.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ay bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.